1448 South Ash Avenue in Cuna. Beautiful single level home on over 2 acres, 2.21. I love the pull through driveway here. You have the awesome shop over there, plus a 2-car garage that has a man cave and a back shop area included in that. 2 pastures, additional parking area over here. It's just a beautiful, quiet, rural area out here. There's a Oahe Mountains over there. No neighbors over here. No neighbors directly on any side of you, really. Beautiful front patio here. Great condition. That is a new shop, by the way. And the dimensions on that are, sorry about that, 24 by 50. It's very windy. You're not going to find better pride and ownership on an acreage house anywhere around here right now. It's just gorgeous. Got the 2 pasture areas, like I said. Look. Okay, we'll head in the house in a little bit. We're walking around the side. You'll notice the rain gutters, and it's trenched out here to add rock. So the seller's got all that ready. The trees are getting ready to blossom here. We have a split pasture here, one in the front that's fenced off separately from the back. And one thing that's pretty awesome is both are completely irrigated with a sprinkler system. Pulls off of a local ditch here that's off the Cuna irrigation district, is my understanding. And what is fantastic about that is extremely low cost. The horse is coming up to say hi. The back is absolutely dialed in here. You also have a nice little storage for your cars out there, if you like. You've got this beautiful covered patio out here. Great place to sit and look at the Boise Mountain Range over here. See the sunrise, have your coffee out here in the morning. Just gorgeous. You have pavers in here. I like how they even stained the ceiling out here. It's just really well done. Concrete's in great shape. Have your barbecue. Have some friends over, have a wedding over here, whatever you want to do. It's just really serene here. Meticulously maintained property. I love the extra concrete that takes us out to the shop. Notice the aluminum roof up there, or steel roof, I'm sorry. Additional place to pull in cars or park another boat if you want. You have the dog pen out here. Hey guys. And then you've got the really nice chicken coop over here as well. Garden space out there. You have the first loafing shed. There's another one over there as well. It has power to it. Got feeders over here. And you've got another loafing shed over here, and there's power in there as well, and a nice shelf. And I'll take you into the back of the shed here. I'm not shed, shop. This is 24 by 50 with a pull-through. Storage area up top here as well. It's got 10 foot 10 door height up there in the front. The back door is 7 feet high and 8 feet wide. These doors are 10 feet wide. You'll notice all the concrete is in excellent condition. I believe the shop was built here in the last year, so it's very new. Lots of good shop lighting in here as well. Dual openers. And that's our shop area. And you've got plenty of room out here to park whatever else you want to, your other toys and such. Go ahead and take a look at the home. You'll notice the storm door here. I love that. And of course you can bring it down and Get some fresh air into your house. We're walking inside. The first thing you probably notice, besides that it's light and bright and vaulted, are these beautiful new floors. I'll give you a close-up of those later. Just beautiful accents throughout the entire house here. This is a manufactured home on foundation. Meticulously maintained. Lots of windows here. So again, you can watch the sunset at night in this direction. Got a nice spot there for your TV. This big open kitchen and dining. We'll take you over here. Well, there's another look at the front entry. Give you one more look in there. Lots of windows. Ceiling fan, very neutral colors. Here's a good close-up of the flooring there. I believe it's a vinyl plank. Then off to the left, we have the first bedroom. Nice wide windows. I like that it's got the double lock on there. Looks like this is likely 2x6 construction, but I'd have to verify that. We've got the horses and the mountains in the background. Very nice. Walk-in closet. I like their built-in cabinets. Then guest bathroom. Shower tub combo. Nice and bright in here, even though the light's not on. And a window over there, that's great. Your sink. Yours truly, hello. Welcome to my tour. Flat panel electrical. Coat closet here. Plenty of room for seating in this family room. And you can enter the kitchen this way or through over here. Got a built-in additional storage / pantry space here. I love the wood accents on here. Huge eating space. They've actually got it separated out into a little table over there and another table here. You could do a real big one, or this is great for family gatherings if you have a lot of people. Bar area. Very nice stainless steel appliances. Nice accent colors and hardware. Stainless steel sink. You have another pantry over here. Tons of cabinet space here. And I'll take you out that way in a minute. Take you into the master bedroom. So it's a split floor plan with 2 bedrooms over there to the south. And on the north side of the house, we have the master bedroom. All the dimensions are on the MLS. Nice new carpet as well. I wish you could feel it. It is got a great pad under there. Walk-in closet over here. And here's the master bathroom. His and her vanities. Did I say that right? Vanities. I didn't say my T very well there. And his and hers, like I said. Nice big medicine cabinet, which I love that. You always need the extra space. Huge garden soaker tub here. Toilet area. And a pretty spacious shower to boot with tile accent trim. Very nice. Back to the master, just want to show you real quick the nice big closet here. Plenty of space in there. Okay, we're going to leave the dining area now. We left the master in the dining area. And you have more storage space out here. You have your washer and dryer, your utility room area. And we're going to head out. This is really cool out here. So off the back of the house, we have what we call the man cave out here. And this does have heating and air. Nice tall ceilings in here. Do your reloading, do storage, little home office, whatever you'd like. This goes to the outside here. Then we head into the garage area, and it's completely painted. Looks wonderful, light and bright, some built-in shelves here. Plenty of room for another refrigerator or two. Cats are not allowed in the house, in case you're wondering. Now this is really neat here. We've got this board here to protect, these owners just think of everything. But anyway, got this window that looks into this other shop part of the garage. So you could take out that wall, I suppose, if you wanted to. But I think the original intent of this room was to have almost like a mother-in-law quarters out here if you wanted to work on something like that. I think it's nice the way it is though, because you've got a laundry setup over here if you wanted to, a second laundry area, sink, nice window there, nice tall ceilings out here as well. I think they're at least 9 feet. More room for another fridge there. Lots of electrical all the way around. And again, this takes you out to the back patio. And I think that concludes our tours, everybody. Thank you for following me along. If you have any questions, you're welcome to contact me or get a hold of your agent. I'm Sean Taylor, and I proudly list this property with Silver Creek Realty Group. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Sean Taylor, and I just want to thank you for viewing this tour. If you want information about this property, contact your agent, and they'd be happy to get you more info. If you're not working with an agent, feel free to call me, Sean Taylor, Silver Creek Realty Group, at 208-340-0000.